Hi, my name's Lucas. I'm in my second year of a double degree of Maths and Science and I'm majoring in Chemistry.
And I'm Rebecca. I'm in my second year of Science Advanced and I'm majoring in Biology. My favorite part of studying science at QUT has to be the diverse and interesting units.
The most exciting aspect of my degree is definitely the labs. Getting to connect the theory we're learning in lectures with actual labs and experiments is really cool. A great example of this is last semester when we got to extract a sample of caffeine from a sample of instant coffee, and that was a really great application of what we'd been learning in lectures.
Yeah, I remember that one.
Yeah. If you ever have any issues with assignments or coursework, then a really great way to get support is by using Stimulate. Stimulate is essentially a sort of tutoring service at QUT for STEM subjects. So if you're ever having trouble with the coursework or assignments, I really recommend using Stimulate. They're really helpful.
I wish someone had told me about Studiosity earlier in my course because...
I haven't heard about that.
Oh, well, it's basically a platform where you can just submit your assignments and they typically return your assignment to you with feedback in a 24-hour period, and it's great.
I wish someone had told me that uni isn't as scary as you think. I feel like a common misconception is that university is this big scary place with no support that's really hard to do well, but really there's heaps of academic and personal support at QUT, and it's a really warm place. You can make heaps of friends. There are so many great fun experiences that you can have at uni, and really it's not as scary as people make it out to be. My top tip for studying at uni next year is to just follow your interest. When I was at school, I was interested in chemistry and maths, so I decided to do a double degree in both maths and chemistry at QUT. So follow your interests and you'll be doing something that you enjoy.
My advice if you're thinking of studying Science Advanced at QUT is major in something you're interested in because the experience is very personalized and individualized.